Draw and learn. Oh, look at this yummy ice cream. Hello, kids. Today we want to draw yummy ice creams with each other. Let's go. Please subscribe us to see the other videos. Let's draw some hearts as a candy. Now I want to draw a funnel ice cream. That's so yummy. I like it very much. What about you? Do you like funnel ice cream? That's so great. Please subscribe us, kids. Oh, kids, look at here. We have an ice cream like an orange. So that's so amazing. Let's color the ice creams. At first, I'm using pink color. What about you, kids? Which color do you like to use now? You tell me which color is the best for here. What about light pink color? Do you like it? Keep going, kids. I'm sure you can color it very well. Red color for hearts. And purple color for ice cream stick. That's so nice. That's using yellow color for funnel ice cream. So colorful. Do you like to use blue color for here? Please subscribe us, kids. Which color is the next? Do you know? Orange color. Do you like orange color? It's so beautiful. I like it very much. Let's using green color for here. That's so great! Let's color the orange ice cream with each other. Keep going, kids! You're so great! I'm sure we can color it very well. Yellow color. Now I want to use pink color. What about you? If you like our videos, please subscribe us. That's so great! We finished! Thank you for watching me. Bye-bye!